YouTube, what's going on? Fist of Legend here. Just checking in with you guys on one of my travels in Shanghai, China right now. We'll roll out here real quick. I'm kind of high up in this hotel right now, so I don't know what you guys will be able to make out. Oil massage. Can't say as I know what that's all about. But just a quick shot of the street. Sorry about the poor camera work. I had to leave my my nice camera at home and opt for the smaller camera for traveling. But yeah, this is it, Shanghai, China. I figured I'd just do a quick update, let you guys know what I'm EDCing in a foreign country. So on top of my head right here, got the Oakley split jacket glasses. Nice glasses. They're so light you don't even feel them on your face. And on top of that, you can, let me see if I can do this one-handed. Let me see what this racket is outside real quick. Hold on. Oh, let's go look at the housekeeper. How you doing? Can I get some more of that green tea? Can I get some more of that green tea? The green tea?
No.
Oh, this. Can I take this? Okay. All right. All right. Thank you. Oh. All right. Thank you. There we go. Had to get some more of that green tea. Keep myself healthy while I'm traveling. Anyway, so here we go. Yeah, so we got these split jackets, and I was gonna try to show you real quick if I can do this one-handed. But you pop this piece, and then you pop this up, and you can swap out the lenses. Yeah, you can pop that up on each side. Like I said, it's a little tricky with one hand. And then you can remove the lenses and put in different lenses. Nice glasses. I'm gonna just leave it like that. Now I'm gonna add some green tea to the mix since the lovely ladies outside were so kind. Of course, we got the ever necessary iPhone. What else we got in this pocket? And of course, the always necessary U.S. passport. Wallet. What else we got over here? We got my pen. This is the, what is this? Man, this is not giving me any autofocus. I'm sorry about this. This is, like I said, this is just a G11. This is the Canon G11, which is more of a still, more for taking still photos. But this is the Smith & Wesson tactical pen. Carry this through airlines with no issues whatsoever. What else do I have? Got the Leatherman Skeletor CX. See if I can maneuver this one-handed. It's a nice little tool to carry. It's light. Call it the Skeletor because all the pieces have been milled out. Skeletonized for optimum lightweight. Yeah, I'm gonna have to keep it about an arm's length distance because every time I try to go out further. Hold on, let me turn this TV down. Alright, that's better. So yeah, I got the Skeletal CX. Of course, I like my Charge TTI much better, but this is a good small lightweight piece to travel with. It gives me some pliers, wire cutters, a couple different bits for a screwdriver here, and then decent blade, 154 cm steel, so it's all right. Little carabiner, not a whole lot, but easy to, like I said, easy to travel with. And I know you guys saw my video with my Spyderco. Parent PPT. Alright. So that's what I got, cats. Just doing a quick update from Shanghai, China. I'm not going to be able to post this until I get back because, of course, in the People's Republic of China, you are not allowed to use YouTube or any type of social networking site. So anytime I try to even log on to YouTube, I get an error message. But foreign travel coming at you. Shanghai, China. This is Fist of Legend. Doing a quick EDC update, international style. All right, y'all be safe.